Today I'm going to plant seeds, measure water, and learn how plants grow. Yay! Ooh, I'm picking a sunny spot to start my learning garden. Wow! Aha! First dig a little bed, then drop seeds, then tuck them to sleep. Easy! All right, I make 3 tiny holes and count 1, 2, 3, gently. Oops, these 2 seeds are too close. I'll give them 2 finger steps. Phew. Uh-oh, my watering can splashes too much. I need a softer way. Okay, I'll pour 3 sips from my glass. 1, 2, 3. Just right. Yay! Gentle water and soft soil hugs help roots drink. Nice! Wow, learning means waiting. I'll check after a little rest, okay? Whoa, a tiny sprout popped up, and practice and patience worked. Yay! Hooray! I learned to plan, space, measure, and wait. Go me! Yay! See you later, friends!